Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
It's so unfortunate that one bad thing that you do and does so many good things you have done for people. Kuvedane kukwayipheke as if you have never been a good person, and then everybody just says, no vele, this stems from this. I saw resurfacing of my old tweets kamangobese. Khona nje nalo neindlebele eyinqeni yonke into isingayo ke manje yonke into isingayo. Number one, about the Limpopo girls, angazi nokuthi kwakwenze njani because vele Twitter is not my thing. Leya nto leya wrong, and knowing uJacinta, she knows she was wrong. She knows that, and methi she was young, dumb and stupid. Uqinisile she was, because there is no room in our society, whether it was back then or Nini, for tribalism. There shouldn't be, because we are all South Africans. So yes, why wrong? Number two, there's one, I need more Nigerian friends. Anyway, that shows Uguti, we don't hate our brothers. We are just fighting legality. We are fighting the fact that you cannot be in the country and you are undocumented. And if you are coming to the country, you need to be coming for a purpose. That tweet for me screamed and said, yes, it shows Uguti. Akanankinga with Nigerians on a personal level. The problem is, are you legally here? Yini? You cannot have sithi it's our brothers and sisters. Meanwhile, bethola ama drugs bezowathela la emphakathini yethu. Namhlanje sineyingane eyidutshulwa amaphoyisa because ngikumbule echaza uBunhlanhla ethi uBunhlanhla Mkhwanazi ethi lezi ingane khona idrug ezidlayo ezithi mayidubula zingasabi. And these are young boys. And if you see that, ubone iwunga ukufika kwayo ifike nalabo abantu, and you see obhuti bethu nosisi bethu abacwile kuyiwunga impilo zabo zaphela, ungabuza ubhlungu shuthi ulukhuni ngempela. Ngifunda uqamba manga ngoba we are not fighting them ukuthi asinifuni because ninjani vele ke lokho kunye sekubhalwa ngabo sekudelelana, but mandate is that you guys are here illegally. If you are here to invest in the country, yes, that's fine. But it's umthetho minimum 5 million. If ungenawo lo 5 million to invest and do business in the country, hambu yekin naleyo million lakho invest kweyakho i-country. Do business in your country. Hambo gunda wazogunda lana abekho yena abantu abagundwayo eMalawi. Today, this week, we saw something very sad at Tegwin. Makvala lezi itolo ukuthi shuthi thina sinalutho. And I remember at some point in my life, uma ngisamncane, she wayesifuna isitolo eThekwini. I don't know what she wanted to do ngoba ngisho I was young. I think I was in high school or something. And imgudu that she had to go through. But laba bantu bayayithola ngobani ngale ngemuva khona into abayifihlile, and isilwa nalokho ukuthi no phela izwe liyafa bakwethu. So ke abafuna ukuyeka ifight because of those tweets or whatever, it's okay guys. Umuntu uwenze into ayidecidile. Mina ngadecide March last year ukuthi lempi le ngiyangena kuyo, and I will be kuyo till we win. Till size sinqobe bakwethu. Angifuni nje uqamba manga ukuthi uyazi eyisaza saphoxeka. Mina ngasho ngathi angisaphoxeki, ngisho ngafika kusasa ngoba ngasho ngathi mina bethu abantu sisazophoxeka uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ngathi mina ayikho into engiphoxa benezweni ngoba ukuphoxeka nakho ngikuboka ku TV every day lapha kaMadlanga. Ukuphoxeka ngikubona ngalabantu abangena ngokuhololo kuma borders ethu ukuthi hawu kanti uhulumeni wethu mesilwa kangaka uthule is not responding. Uyithulele nje. asho lutho uhulumeni wethu ukuthi hayibo lento eyenzakalayo ezubaba uwezwe ukuthi hayibo ingane zami zakhala kangaka kwenze njani cha lutho lokho nje ugibela amabhanoyi undleleni umntaka ngoba hayi bantu usendleleni president usendleleni akekho hambile so nje bakwethu asiza ukudidiseka futhi ke nje mnikezereni iyayazi-ke thina sayesavotela umuntu esemacaleni sathi okusalayo uzoba upresident waba uyena futhi thina ingane yethu uyala ekashaka ngeke niyenze lutho bafana bami asihlehli asijika sibheke emuva siyaphambili manje siyakubona la siyakhona and futhi bayeza eGoli next week niphume nihambe and fight for your city, fight for your country, fight for ingane zenu because this is for your kids, it's not for you, it's for abantwana benu ukuthi bakhulele endaweni right. Ukuthi ke kwenzakalani ke kudala ke bakwethu siyaxolisa wonke umuntu ingqondo yakhe phela naye ihamba ikhule abe mdala abone ubrong bakhe. So and ngoba ngisho knowing uJacinta she has seen ubrong bakhe kulento ayibhalile but ifight ayizukumiswa yilokho ke manje sinake lokho cha bandla no siyaphambili nje asibonane ePretoria bantu benkosi.
Hey mina bafethu uyabona irespect enginayo for what Jacinta and Ungizwe Mchunu nayo Phakela Mthakathe into abayenzayo ngiyayihlonipha kodwa uyabona mangibona into ezifana nalezi hayi bafethu hayi busy shiswa ilanga sigijima sehla senyuka siya protesta bona bayimelo sisibethe emabhalkoni basakazeki bayisakazela wona labafesi bamanager njengoba ubona nje la isombeni yabo bona wona la managerian ezansi emafletini abo avalelwe laphana agadelwe amaphoyisa lawo hleze siwabona ecollect imali lapha kubona ekwazelo yabo sisibese bahleli lapha labasakazekiwe ama-Nigerian azohlonipha kanjani ingaki sasakalendlela sasangayo sibhize siyagijima sehla senyuka la emva kwe-protest uthi uyezwa imemorandum ayifikanga la bathi kufanele ifike khona angazi-ke eGoli but sengikhuluma ngokwala eThekwini kusekwenzeke more than 2 or 3 times yabo leyo iyona-ke lento vele ithena abantu amandla mfethu yabo obonayo ukuthi hayi ongcono abanye beze bebona ukuthi ngcono beproteste khona la ko-social media ngoba leyo gijima uzumile iy'hluzu uyothelwa ngey'ntelezi laphana for ukuthi nje ujike uzobona abantu yazi ade ngibuka ngisho amavidiyo lapha eGoli bayivideorazela ama-foreigner laphana bayibukela nje ngoba baprotectiwe kwi-entrance ezansi yamaflethi kwakhiwa nje so lento yenziwa laphana angazi noma ukuyoyihambela nje emgaqweni ukujima noma yini hayi angazi yabona lento and mina iyangidida leya nto mhlawumbe ngoba ngiyi-understand ngoba ngisasho namanje yabo lento le energy esinayo engaka yokugijima emgaqweni sihla senyuka Hillbrow bani iyona energy efana ngabe iyathathwa leyo ishone straight emahhovisi o-government kushathedwane yonke into nya kume kwasana ngoba uma kusenziwa kanje bafethu siyadlala kumina ngivele ngibone ngathi kwenziwa i-content honestly ngibona ngathi kwenziwa i-content isizathu sokulokho ingoba ama-Nigerians, ama-Ghanaians, ama-Ethiopians, ama-Somali bonke labantu laba baku-TikTok kuneho yenzakalayo kumanje ngikhuluma nje kule video kuneho nje yenzakalayo nje kulandwa ama-digital footprints abantu Jacinta konke lento le so nje uyabona usila nje mfethu ukuze ngazi noma uboost content noma kwenzakalani kodwa mzukwane si serious siyoshasa down yonke into wena owabona nkathi kuboshwa uZuma koba njalo-ke wamanje kusadlalwa angifuni ungasho.
South Africans are still standing, no Jacinta, to say, you know what, yes, whatever that she did with the tweets or whatever, because yes, there is another video that is trending for Jacinta was actually playing a Nigerian song, and she said it herself that she loves Nigerian people. She loves Nigerian men. If she ever gets married to a South African man, she will then cheat to that man with a Nigerian man. And guys, it's a lot. South Africans are still standing on a side to say, you know what, that happened long time ago and it really does not count. She was still young. She didn't know better, and that does not erase the fight that we are fighting right now. We are still standing in business. We are still doing this. We are still going forward. But anyway, guys, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this whole Jacinta thing? Do you think she's doing the right thing? Do you think it's okay for South Africans to fight for their rights? Do you think everything that is happening on social media, because I'm 100% sure we are all witnessing everything, since everything is on social media, everything is being posted on social media, there is no one who is not accessing all those things that are happening. Yes. Do you think it's okay? Do you think the violence and everything, African countries being against each other, is it okay? Comment your thoughts down below in the comment section.